Hello everyone. Once again, welcome to Goyal Academy's English grooming classes. Today I am back with some new videos, and these videos are for you, for the daily use as well as for learning new vocabulary. Okay, so my videos will help you to learn simple sentences in an effective way, which you can use in your routine. You can also help your children to use them and enhance English, right? So let's get started. Can you see the picture? Yes? Oh, so see, there's a boy and who is trying to open the cap of this bottle. So regularly we say open the bottle, okay? But this is not the right way. If you want to learn the correct word, let me tell you, okay? I dashed the bottle before drinking water. So what? What should I use here? The right way word is uncap. I uncap the bottle before I uncap the bottle before drinking water, right? So see, the boy is trying to open the bottle, and here, because it has a cap and he is trying to take off the cap, so we will say uncap, right? Next, the picture says she is trying to do something with the bed sheet. Yes, so whenever in the morning I make my bed, what do? She folds the bed sheet neatly every morning. So here it will be, she folds the bed sheet every morning, right? Folds. When you arrange your bed, you fold the bed sheet and keep it neatly. So this is the sentence. Now next will be, next is, you can see easily the boy is doing something with the vegetable, right? With the cucumber. So here he dashed the vegetables into thin slices, which means he chops the vegetables into thin slices. Chops, okay? We will not use cut always. So a new word is chop. He chops the vegetables into thin slices, right? Next, here, see, the girl is trying to put the wet clothes in the balcony. What word should I use here? Right? She is trying to put here for drying. Right? So what will be the word? I dry the clothes. Okay? I dry the clothes, the wet clothes in the balcony. I dry the wet clothes in the balcony. It can also be said, I hang the wet clothes in the balcony for drying. But because our sentence is in the balcony, we put here dry. Okay? Next. See what she's doing? She's putting butter on the bread. But put is not the right word. What am I going to use here? She dash butter evenly on the bread. So when to fill the this dash, I'll write, she spreads butter. She spreads butter evenly on the bread. Correct? She spreads butter evenly on the bread. Next. As you can see, it is written here shutting down. That means this man is trying to shut down the laptop before going home. So he shuts down. He shuts down the laptop before leaving the office. Okay? He shuts down the laptop before leaving the office. This is the word. Next is, oh, yummy noodles. He's making noodles. So, but when you have to make the noodles, what do you have to do them? You have to boil them. But while boiling, what this boy is doing? I'll give you the right word. Okay? I dash the noodles gently while cooking. What am I doing? I am, yes, stirring. So I write here, I stir the noodles. I stir the noodles gently while cooking. This action is called to stir. Okay, next. See, what is she doing? She is making juice. Okay, so when you make juice, what do? This, she is using a strainer, and when she uses a strainer, she strains the juice. So here the right word will be she strains the juice. She strains the juice through a strainer. One word is this instrument which she is using. It is known as a strainer, and the word is to strain. That means she strains the juice through a strainer. Okay, next. As you can see, this boy is trying to fold the newspaper. Okay, fold the newspaper or arrange the newspaper. Here you will use he folds the newspaper. He folds the newspaper neatly after reading it. Right? He folds the newspaper. This will be told as fold. And if he is keeping the newspapers one above the other, then we can say he is arranging. He arranges the newspapers. Right? So let's go for the next one. Okay. Now what is he doing? He is trying to clean the shelf. Okay. But here the correct word will be to dust. He dusts the shelves once in a week. So dusts is the word. He dusts the shelves once in a week. Dusts the shelves. Right? Let's go to the next one. Here, just like a sincere student, what is she doing? Yes, she is studying. So, she dash her homework before going to bed. Before going to bed, she is finishing her homework. You can write two words here, any of the two. Either you can write completes the work or you can write finishes her work. So, I'll put both for your reference. Finishes, okay? Finishes, or you can say completes. Completes her homework before going to bed. She finishes her homework or she completes her homework before going to bed. Both are correct. Now let's see this one. Okay. Okay, I think this is visible. She dashed her brother in his studies. What is she doing? Either you can say a simple word, she is helping. Okay, she helps her brother in his studies, right? Or else you can say she guides her brother in his studies. She guides her brother in his studies. So these are some sentences which are used regularly, and you can use them in your day-to-day conversation, which will make things little advanced. Okay, and I'm going to bring many more such videos for you. So keep watching and keep learning. Thank you.